Got another day to party tomorrow, ma'am. But you're going to be at Nana's and Papa's, and you know Nana's and Papa's, so that'll be good.
She spent a couple nights there so far already.
Yeah, that's what Steve... Yeah, that's what Papa wrote on my Facebook yesterday. He said that you told me hi. Did you tell me hi? Did you see looking out the window? Oh, here comes. Bless you. Bless you.
Oh my goodness.
3, God bless you.
3's as much as she'll do.
Does that feel good? Those look like they felt good.
It was a surprise.
Yeah. Oh. 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 I want to grab your toes. I do. I want to grab your toes. I thought about going to sleep a while ago. Change your mind? No, she's gone. No. That was half. That was half a yawn, ma'am. Well, it's okay. I don't.